Hello friends, myself Ravi Inania, and today I am here with my Viva topic, that is uh, directives in Angular. So today's date 13th December 2022. So we will start. So directives in Angular means directive means an special function which when occur in HTML by Angular compiler. At that time Angular compiler performs some extraordinary features, or we can say perform some operation through which the function or the view of that Angular may change. So directives are mainly of three types, that is component directives, structural directives, and attribute directives. So component directives are we can say the special directives in Angular, since this type of directives has a template, or we can say template URL in it. So there is a URL given inside a HTML through which some extraordinary feature we can say operation is performed by Angular compiler. So that type of directive is called as component directives. Second, that is structural directives. So what is structural directives? Structural directives in Angular means we can say some conditional operations or some extraordinary operations which we perform through some coding in our other languages. But when we see in Angular, when we want to perform some conditional operation or some extraordinary operation, in that type of operation we use component directives, structural directives. So the example of structural directory we can say as ngif, switch. So this type of operation, or we can say ng for loop. So the directives which are start with star annotation, we can say star symbol, that we can say directives are called as structural directives. So through that we can use conditionals in it, so that are we can say called as structural directives. And the last part, that is attribute directives. So what is attribute directives? So attribute directive means there are some directives through which we can change the layout, or we can say change the view of our page. So that type of directives are called as attribute directives. We can say ng style. Through ng style we can style our component or change the style of our component. So that type of directives are come under we can say attribute directives. So this is all about directives in Angular. So with this all, I like to stop here, and thank you.